If there is one programming language that can change your whole future, is Python. Python was created in 1991 by Guido and Rossum, a Dutch programmer who wanted a simple and readable language. Today, Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Powerful, flexible, and friendly for beginners. With Python, you can build artificial intelligence, cybersecurity tools, websites, data analysis systems, and even games. And Python's biggest strength is its clean syntax. Code that looks almost like a plain English. It's used by beginners and professionals alike, and trusted by companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA. If you want to start programming fast or enter fields like AI, data science, or cybersecurity, Python is a great choice. And here are some books for deep learning in Python. You can just take a screenshot. And this is just the beginning. Which programming language should be next? And before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and activate the bell. Thank you for watching this video.